Good afternoon, students. We are starting with chapter 2 English. And chapter 2 is the good turn. Good means what? Means good. What we use good word whenever we do something better or best. So we use good word for that. We have done something good, we use good for that. And turn can be used in two ways. Like one is when we are turning towards our right or left, but here turn is used for a change in a girl whose name is Sheena. So starting with the chapter, analyze yourself and find out three good and three bad things in your behavior and write them in the given space. So you have to write three good things and three bad things about yourself. You need to analyze yourself and write three good things and three bad things which you see in yourself. So this is the exercise before starting the chapter. You have to write three good things and three bad things. Now I'm starting with the story, which is in this there are 3-4 characters. One is Sheena, and one is second one is her friend Mia, and it is all about a story related to Sheena. So starting with the story, Sheena was the only child of her parents. Only child means Sheena was the single child. No other brother or sister Sheena is having. So they loved her so much that Sheena turned a spoiled child. Uh, Sheena's parents loved her so much that she has turned to be a spoiled child. That means Sheena was loved by her parents so much that now she has become a spoiled child. She has ruined her behavior. Now she has become a spoiled child. Her parents used to fulfill every wish of their daughter. So what their Sheena's parent did, they fulfilled all the wishes of Sheena. Unfortunately, Sheena grew up to be a proud, selfish, and rude. Now Sheena has grown up, but now because her parents loved her so much, she has become proud, selfish, and rude. Her neighbors used to call her a spoiled child. The neighbors are who lives next to our house. So her neighbors used to call her a spoiled child. Many times her mother noticed some bad habits in her. Now mother has also started noticing that Sheena is having some bad habits. She noticed that her daughter was not willing to share anything. Now what happened with Sheena, as her parents were giving each and everything which she wanted, now she is not willing to share anything. She is having a bad habit of not sharing her toys or books etc. with her friends or cousins. So now she had got a bad habit, and she's not ready to share her toys, her books with her friends, not even with her cousins. Sheena always quarreled with them badly. Quarreled is when we argue, when we shout, and we use bad words. So she has started using bad words, and she had started shouting with her friends and cousins badly. Due to her bad attitude, Sheena started losing her friends one by one. Now, you must have noticed that when we don't behave properly, we shout, we are selfish, we don't share our things, we start losing our friends. Just because sharing is caring, and politely speaking to someone gives a good gesture of you, and that helps us to make new friends. But now Sheena has become a bad girl, so she has started losing friends one by one. Now soon Sheena grew up, and it was the time for her to go to school. Now she has grown up, and now it's the time for her to join the school. She had started going to school. Now even in school she had no friends, just because she was very proud, selfish, and rude. Even in school, after joining the school, she has not got any friends, just because she was very proud, she was not ready to share the things. And now she might have quarreled with the school students also, the classmates also. That's why nobody was ready to talk to her, or nobody was ready to be a friend with Sheena. After few days, a new girl joined the school. Now after Sheena joined the school, now she has met with a new girl who has taken the admission in the school. Her name was Mia. Mia. Her name was Mia. Now second character which has come up is Mia. Sheena is the girl, and mother, we are talking about mother also, and now third character which has come up is Mia, and she is a newcomer in the school. She was very simple and quiet and shy girl. Sheena is a good girl. She is very simple, she is quiet, and she is a shy girl. She was not very intelligent. Sheena was not intelligent. She became Sheena's friend. Now Mia, sorry, by mistake I had said Sheena, but this is about Mia. Mia was not an intelligent girl, but Mia became friend with Sheena. Sheena used to dominate her, but Mia had no problem. As Mia was very simple and she was a shy and quiet girl, when Sheena used to dominate her, she had no problem with that. Dominate means when we put whatever we want on some other, some second person, and we ask his or her to do that. So, uh, So what Sheena used to do? Sheena used to dominate Mia, but Mia didn't had any problem. When we direct someone saying that do this, do that, and the second person is doing that only, so that is the dominate part. That is the dominating behavior. So Sheena used to dominate her, and Mia had no problem with that also, as she was very simple girl. One day, their class teacher scolded Mia badly for not doing her homework properly, and there were lots of mistakes. So, what happened one day? Class teacher scolded Mia as she had not done her homework properly, and she had made lots of mistakes while doing the homework. So, she was scolded by her teacher. So, class teacher, all other students started making fun of Mia. Now, while class teacher was shouting and scolding Mia, all other students which were sitting in the class, they had started making fun of Mia. She sat quietly without saying a word. Now, when class teacher was shouting on Mia, she didn't utter a word and she sat quietly. She didn't say anything to the class teacher. When Sheena came back from school, she told this incident to her mother. Now, after going home, back to home, finishing with the school, Mia told all this story. Incident is the story what had happened to her mother. Now, her mother asked Sheena to help her. Now, what did mother ask from Sheena? When Sheena told this story, this incident to her mother, now mother had asked Sheena to help Mia. Sheena replied, struggling her shoulder. Now, waving her shoulder and saying, Sheena replied that, what can I do if she is so dumb? Now, what did Sheena reply to the mother? What can I do? How can I help her when she can't use her mind? Dumb is when we do not use our mind. So, her mother scolded Sheena and said, that is not a nice way to talk of your friend. Now, when Sheena said, that Mia, how can I help Mia when she don't have brain? So at this sentence, mother scolded, shouted on Sheena and said that this is not a good way, this is not a nice way talking about your friend using these bad words. Let me tell you a story about kindness. Now, what mother thought, she want to give Sheena a lesson, a good lesson, so that she can change her view about her good friend Mia. She thought of telling her a story which was related to kindness. Her mother narrated her her mother narrated her the story of an ant and a dove. Now what happened? Now mother had started telling a story which was related to ant and a dove. She told her that how once an ant was drowning in water, and a dove helped the ant by throwing a leaf into the water so that the ant could safely float on it to reach the bank of the river. So, what was the story which mother was narrating? Mother was telling that there was a aunt, and the aunt was drowning in the water. So dove helped aunt by throwing a leaf in the water, so that aunt can sit on the leaf and she can reach safely to the bank of the river by floating the leaf. So this is what happened till now in the story, which was mother was narrating for Sheena. Her mother further narrated that one day when a bird catcher came to catch the dove and threw his net on it, the ant came running to save the dove. Now, here comes the second part of the story, that once what happened, there came a bird catcher. Bird catcher is whom? Those who catch the birds. So there was a bird catcher. He came to catch the bird. That means the dove. Dove is a bird. It's a bird name. So dove is a bird name. So once later on, what happened in the story, that one catcher came to catch dove. So what happened? This aunt was looking at all these things which was happening. That bird catcher has come and he is trying to catch the dove. So what had happened? Aunt came running to save the dove. So now aunt remember that dove helped aunt while she was drowning in the water. So aunt came running to help the dove. It nipped the arm of the bird catcher sharply and saved the life of the dove. No, now what did aunt do? Aunt had aunt came running and catch sharply. You know how aunt bite, when she bite it is very sharp. So what aunt did? Aunt had bitten on catcher's hand, arm, and saved the life of the dove. So this is how first of all dove helped the aunt, and now aunt has helped the dove. My child learned something from this story, that if you are good to others, then they too will be good to you. So by this story which mother was telling, we know that when aunt was in problem, dove helped, and then when dove was in problem, aunt helped. So this is how this life goes on, that if we have a kind nature, a helping nature, then only other people also help us when we are in problem. So this was the lesson which mother wants to give to Sheena, her daughter, that if we have a kind nature and we have a helping nature and we help others, then only others will try to help us. So this is what the moral of the story which Sheena's mother was telling her Sheena, so that she can learn that she should help her friends or whosoever is in need. Now, the next day, Sheena helped Mia to solve her problems in studies. Now, Sheena has got the lesson out of the story which was narrated by mother. Now, next day, what Sheena did? Sheena helped Mia in solving her problems in studies. Now, she had started helping Mia as Mia was not intelligent enough, and Sheena used to thought that she is dumb and she is not intelligent. So what Sheena decided after listening to the story, she had helped Mia for in solving the problems. So now Mia thanked Sheena for helping her. Now Mia was very kind and she had helping nature. So Mia helped Sheena for helping her in studies. The same day, their class teacher appreciated Mia for improvement in her work. Now, what happened when Sheena helped Mia in doing the work? She had done the correct homework. She had done the correct in the studies. So, class teacher appreciated Mia for doing the good job, for doing the good homework, and for improving in her studies. Now, Mia again thanked Sheena, and Sheena's heart was filled with happiness. Now, have you noticed that if someone says thank you to you, you feel very happy, you feel very, very excited, and you feel very good whenever someone, if you are helping someone and someone out of help, he or she says thank you to you. So, this is what happened with Sheena. Now, Mia has thank you. Sheena twice, so she is filled with happiness. Her heart is filled with happiness, and she is feeling very good that Mia has said thank you if she has helped her. Now, after few After few days, Sheena had a fight with someone. Sorry, after few days, Sheena had a fight with some students. Now, what happened in the class? While going to school or in the school, Sheena had a fight with some school students. So she was ordered to stay back after school. Now, what happened? While fighting, the other student which was fighting with Sheena had ordered Sheena to stay back to the school after the school hours. She was punished. Sheena was feeling bad and unhappy. So now what happened? Sheena was punished for fighting with other students. So she was punished for this, and Sheena was feeling bad and unhappy as Sheena has got the punishment for fighting with the student. So she was punished by the teacher and she was feeling unhappy. The punishment was that she had to clean all the classrooms. So the punishment which was given to Sheena for fighting with the classmates with the student, she was punished for cleaning the classroom. This was very humiliating for her. She started crying, but suddenly a voice came. Now, humiliating is when we feel insulted. So Sheena was feeling insulted and she started crying. But suddenly a voice came, I am with you. So a sound came which was I am with you. That means someone was there to help Sheena. And who was that? As Sheena turned back to see, she was happy to see her friend Mia. Now, who was there to help Sheena? It was her friend, our good friend Mia. Just because Sheena helped Mia in the studies, now Mia is also helping her in cleaning the classroom. So, Mia told her that she would help her in cleaning the classroom. Now, as Sheena was feeling insulted and she was crying just because she was in punishment of cleaning the classroom. Mia, out of kindness and as Sheena also helped her in studies, Mia came up saying that she is with her, she is with Sheena, and now she said that she will help her in cleaning the classroom. Sheena understood the meaning of being good to others. Now, Sheena has understood the meaning which her mother was trying her to learn out of the story which mother was telling. Now, Sheena understood that being good with others give a good gesture of you, and others also try to help you if you try to help them. From that day, Sheena decided to be a good girl. So now she had got the moral and she had decided to be a good girl with everyone. Sheena's mother was happy to see the good behavior of her daughter. Now Sheena has become a very good girl, and now Sheena's mother is also feeling happy that Sheena's behavior had changed, and now she is a good girl. So the moral of the story is what? If we help others, then only others will try to help us. So moral of the story is we should not be rude, we should not be selfish, we should not use bad words, we should not fight with others. Rather, we should try to be kind, we should try to help others, we should not use bad words, we should always have a behavior of helping others in case others need us, whether it's related to studies or whether it's related to the cleaning or whatever. This goes not with the school time only, it goes with the home also, with our family members also. Like, we should try and help our mother while she is doing something, we should ask mother if she needs our help. So this is how we have a kind nature, we have a soft heart for others. And this is important to know that if we try to help others, then only others also try to help us. So the moral of the story here is we should help others, then only others will help us. So this is how Sheena learned the lesson of helping others, and she has become a good girl. As she was not a good child, she was a spoiled child because she was the only child, and her parents were always ready to fulfill all the wishes or all the demands she was putting up. So it is not like that. If you are a single child and parents are trying hard to wish all your wishes, that doesn't mean that you should be a selfish person, or you should change your behavior as they are loving you so much and you change your behavior being a rude person. No, if your parents are loving you, or if they are fulfilling all your wishes, all your demands, that means they love you a lot, and in return you should give them a good behavior and a good gesture and a good and a good behavior, so that they also feel that if they are fulfilling all your demands, that means they are giving their child a good environment, a good a good behavior, so that they also feel happy that their child is a very good child. So here what we got to know that being a good person helps others also, help make your parents happy. If you have a good behavior with your parents, with your cousins, with your family members, with your friends, that make you socially sound, that means you are a good person to be in a society. So here what happened, Sheena was not a good girl initially, but after listening to the story, or after deciding herself that she wants to be a good girl, as she was losing the friends one by one and she was not happy that she is alone, so she decided to be a good girl. Now she has become a good girl and Mia is her friend, and she has learned that helping others will some or the other day give you help in return. So this is the moral of the chapter. We are done with the explanation part. I'll do the exercises in the second part. So this is how we have done, and we have learned that we should help others. That's all for this chapter. Go through the chapter, learn the new words, and read the chapter thoroughly, and learn this story also, as it is giving a good moral out of it. And I'll put the PDF of this chapter in the snap homework. You can read the chapter from there, and this will help you to learn one more moral and good habits also. Thank you for the class.